Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Nissan Sentra key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This quick and easy process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Let's begin by locating the emergency key within your fob. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot on the side of the key fob casing. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be careful not to damage the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Gently pry it out, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Don't forget to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.